Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obaapaakuaskinny. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to DIY African Black Soap Orange Foot Scrub to help exfoliate our feet and also lighten our feet. So these are our ingredients. Add your distilled water to your African Black Soap. Double boil it to melt and let it cool down. Add orange infused glycerin to the melted soap when it's cooled down. Stir the soap and the infused glycerin together. The infused orange glycerin can lighten the skin. So you have to make sure that you stir everything together. Add your red sandalwood to the mixture. The red sandalwood too can clear blemishes and lighten the skin or lighten dark spots. So keep stirring it, and as you finish stirring it, you are going to add your Dead Sea salt to the soap. The African Black soap too can moisturize and exfoliate the skin. So you add your Dead Sea salt to the mixture, then you stir very well. The Dead Sea salt too can detox your skin, but you can replace the Dead Sea salt with sugar, because if you want to keep it for the next day, then you need to replace the Dead Sea salt with sugar, because this scrub you are going to use it immediately to feel the creaming and the bubble in it to help exfoliate our feet very well. Add your orange essential oil and stir the mixture together. The orange essential oil too can whiten or lighten the skin. So you need to use this scrub immediately, because if you keep it for the next day, you are not going to feel the creamy bubble in it when you use it to scrub your feet. Store in a clean sanitized container and you use it immediately as you make it. Or if you use sugar to make it, you can use it and leave the leftover for the next day. Use to scrub your feet twice a week for a clear, lighter feet. So if you want a clear, lighter feet, then you need to make this scrub and use it twice a week. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and leave me a comment. Bye bye.